Here's how to adjust how much rinse aid gets used per cycle on a Bosch dishwasher similar to mine here, which should include the entire 300 and 500 series that have zone wash. First, hit the power button. Then in the cycle area, find the fourth button from the left. Mine says speed 60, but your fourth button may be called something else. Hold that button down until the rinse aid light starts blinking. Then let go. Then start tapping the start button, and as you do, pay attention to the number of lights in the first 3 cycle options. It'll cycle between 3 lights, 2 lights, 1 light, and no lights. For the highest amount of rinse aid, stop tapping when it has 3 lit. For 0 rinse aid, stop tapping when 0 lights are lit. Once it's indicating the amount of rinse aid you want, hold down the 4th button for 3 seconds, and it'll save the setting. You can then turn it off.